tuning into my channel today. So this video is going to be about pretty much an initial box opening and an initial review of Diamond Dynasty Virgin Hair. Now this isn't my first time purchasing from them, however it is my first time purchasing from them in over, I'd say maybe about 3-4 years. But I have purchased from them twice before this purchase. But the main reason why I stopped buying hair from them wasn't because the hair quality wasn't good, because the hair quality was always good, always soft, never shaded, tangled, none of them. It was easy to manage, like all that stuff. But the reason why I stopped buying from them is because the shipping would always take so long. And I'm not saying that shipping wasn't long this time. However, it did get a little better, and they just so happened to have a sale going on when I came across their page again. And I was like, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So I'm gonna give them a try again, because it's not like the hair wasn't good, because it was great. It was just the shipping, you know, being in a day and age where we have Amazon Prime now, 2-day shipping. Like, I'm not used to waiting 5 to 8 days for an order plus processing. So 5 to 8 days plus processing. Yeah, I'm pretty used to that. But they do have an option for express shipping. However, I think because I did a sale item, it wasn't available when we went. But when you do like regular purchases and stuff, you can email before you make your purchase to ask them if express is available. But anyway, we're gonna get into the hair, or the whole process, everything. So first and foremost, the hair came in this cute little bag. I always love the packaging. It's always so nice, so pretty. It just reminds me of quality products. Came in this priority envelope. It has bubble wrap in the inside, makes me feel safe and secure. Like none of my products are gonna get messed up or anything like that. What's up? Also came with like, I don't even see the other page, but also came with like their locations of their vending machines, because they also have vending machines. So in case you don't want to wait for shipping, they have vending machines. But I live in Houston, and the location that they have on this vending machine thing is like, it's like an hour away or something. I'm not, bruh. If you're from Houston, you know. I'm on the south side and it says Dearbrook. Dearbrook? Where is Dearbrook? Is Dearbrook? It's Baybrook. But Dearbrook ain't close either. So either way you go, it ain't close. But anyway, what else came in this? So, besides all of that, you know, of course, their flyer. Then they give you a coupon for 20% off. Excludes wigs and sale purchases, but they give you 20% off. So I'm gonna keep this. What else? What's up? What is it? Oh, it's something else in the bag. Oh, I don't remember getting lashes the last time I purchased. But look at these. Look at these. Oh gosh, is this? I wonder if this is one of their mink lashes. Oh, this case is, oh, I just love when companies just pay attention to all the details, bro. Like, I love it. That means you're just really putting all the thought and the effort into building your brand and your company. Like, I just love it. But anyway, these are so pretty. Oh, and they're so soft. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. I can't wait to put these on. Ooh. But yeah. So, I did the hair on June 26th, which is a Friday. So of course, they only ship during weekdays. Most businesses only ship and work during business days, and they are very adamant on that. Like, they don't even respond to emails and stuff like that on the weekends. Like, they serious about getting their 2 days off. But yeah, so I purchased it on the 26th, early in the morning. And even though they are off on the weekends, they still fulfilled my order, I think, the next day on a Saturday. And then, let's see, on the 30th, my order actually shipped out, which was a Tuesday. So I ordered it Friday, then the next Tuesday, my order was shipped out, and then I actually received the hair yesterday on the 2nd of August, which is Friday. So I say, including the day that I ordered it, we're gonna just say business days. It took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 business days to get here. If you want to include the weekend, it took 8 days. So if you want to include the weekend, it took the full 8 shipping days. If you don't include the weekend, it only took the 6 days to get here. So if you're somebody who is pressed for time, Diamond Dynasty might not be the company for you to order from unless you do the express shipping, and that's only on the hair that they have on hand. But yeah, so we are gonna get into the hair now. Let's see. So I got the bundle deal. I think I paid like maybe $267, maybe. No, I lied. I paid like $222. That's what I paid. And then shipping was $15. And I think taxes included in the hair cost. But yeah, so I got 3 bundles, 18, 20, and a 22 inch, I believe. Yes, and then a 16-inch lace closure. So let's see. And I got Dominican curly, Brazilian Dominican curly. It wasn't just like a kinky curl, and it wasn't a wave, but it wasn't. I feel like it wasn't a curl that would require too much maintenance. Like, even if it got frizzy a little bit, it would still look cute. So that's why I picked it. But they have when I say a whole bunch of curl patterns, like sometimes I remember every time I purchased from them, it almost takes me a whole day to just really decide on what hair pattern that I want, because they have so many to choose from. And that's one of the reasons why I do like them, because they have so many choices. But this is the 22. I am already pleased with the length, like already, because it's curly hair, but it's, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. 22 inch. Ooh. It's gonna be cute. So, it don't stink, but it has that hair smell. You know what I mean? I just can't explain it, but you know when you take hair out of the package and just, you know, it smells good, and then you have that hair where it smells bad, and then you have that hair, it just smells like that hair smell. Do you get me? That's what this smells like. It just has that hair smell. That was the 22. This is the 20. Yeah, this is my first time in like months buying like bundles and Frontal. Like, I can't remember the last time I made one. It's been probably over a year since I've made a wig. So I just gotten so lazy, and I would just rather buy the wig than have to make it. But I was like, I remember the last time I did make a wig, it lasted a long time. Like a long time. So, like, let me just do one time for one time. But it's cute. Look, 20 inch, 22. And this is the 18 inch. Oh, so cute. Look at this. Look at it. But, see what this Frontal looking like. Okay. Ooh. Gosh. This is the Frontal. 16 inch Dominican curl frontal. And as you see, the hair do have some type of luster to it. It's not too shiny and it's not dull, so it's like real perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wash it and bleach the frontals, bleach the knot and everything. And I'm gonna come back and then I'm gonna go ahead and start making my wig, and I will record this and I will make a separate video of it. So if you're interested in learning how to make a wig, I will be uploading a video on that very soon. Okay, but I'll be back. Okay, so this is how the wig turned out. I love it. It fits great. I do have it laid and slayed with not bow hold this time. What is it? Lace grip. So I'm trying to try different things because I've been using bow hold for years now, and I feel like my skin is it ain't holding like it used to. So I've been trying different things just to see, what's out there. But anyway, we're gonna get back into this hair. Okay, so this is Dynasty Virgin hair. I got 3 bundles in a lace front. It was an 18, 20, and a 22 inch bundle and a 16 inch frontal. I have had the hair for maybe about 3 weeks or so, about almost a month now, a little less than a month. So it is easy to manage. The curls are beautiful. Sometimes I'll wake up, like it won't be, as defined as this, but I'll wake up, I don't need to do nothing. I'll just go. I'll wake up like this, put on my make sure my edge thing on, and I'm good. I'll just wake up sometimes and not even have to do anything. That's one thing I do like about Dynasty hair, is that it's always like real low maintenance. Like I never have to do too much in order to keep it looking good and then shiny as well. Because like this hair, the luster is amazing. It's amazing. And like I was doing an event and I went maybe like a week or so without washing it or conditioning it, and it was still shiny, still doing what it was supposed to do. I was putting water and stuff in it, but it was still good. It do shed, not a lot, especially for the way that I like manhandle some of my wigs sometimes, but it do shed, but not too much. I still like the hair. When I did do my wig, I didn't even use the full 3 bundles, so this was left at a 18 inch, which is not half of the bundle, almost half of the bundle. Not almost. It's a good amount of the bundle, I'm gonna say that. But I don't like it. See, like it's not too curly, but it's curly. But I like it. I like it. The hair is, I can still, even though it do have some type of curls to it, I can still run my hands to it pretty easy. I do get some tangling, in the back here, in the back of my neck. That's really about it. Everything else, I don't have no problem with it. The lace is easy to melt. The knots bleach easily. I really don't have no complaints about this hair, because like I said, I've ordered from them before, so I know it's a good company. This is going on my 3rd order from them now, and this 22 inches is pretty long. It's pretty. I like it. So yeah, we'll be manhandling my curls and stuff like that. I feel like my hair was just a tad bit thicker when I first made the wig, but I actually like this better, because at first it was too full, and now it's just like perfect. It's perfect. Like I like this. But yeah, I'm gonna put all the information about this at the bottom. If you have any questions or anything like that, please don't hesitate to comment below. I will answer you, or if I don't know it, I will try to find out the best of my abilities. But thank you for tuning tuning into this video. This has been Loving Life with Destiny. As always, the best love is self-love. Don't you forget that, because that is the most important. But anyway, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget, I need that.